My name is Nagesh Verenker. During this lockdown, since we can't practice, I make it sure to wake up in the morning, do my stretches, and since I have a table, I do my service practice and also my shadow practice. In the evening, we have online meetings with my sir R. Rajesh, who is from Chennai, in which we discuss what to do during the lockdown, and also we update ourselves with the fitness sessions. And also, I have 1 hour fitness session in the evening. Apart from this, I also spend time with my family and also keep up the date with my academics. I hope you are all fine. Stay safe, stay home.
Agarwal and I'm from Madgaon and I play table tennis. During this pandemic, everything is at standstill, but it is the way we look at it. These are the most precious days we are getting to spend time with our family and in pursuing with our skills and hobbies. Ever since the lockdown has begun, I have been focusing on my fitness regime. I start my day with a 20-minute stretching and warm-up, followed by skipping and push-ups. Besides this, I am also experimenting with cooking and I help in the household works. In the evening, I have a table at home on which I do service practice. I am enjoying myself thoroughly. I believe whatsoever we want to do, we should do it now, as today will be yesterday tomorrow. So friends, make use of this time effectively.